Hi, I'm Jim Hickey, Regional Sales Manager for Renegade RV Sprinter Division, and I'm here to talk to you about the new model year 2023 Vienna 25V TBC, which is our new twin bed floor plan with a cab over bunk. And I want to talk to you about the new features that are available on the 2023 Vienna. First of all, I want to talk again about our twin bed floor plan. Twin beds with a cab over bunk. On the roof, we've gone to 300 watts of solar, which replaces 175 watt, which was standard in 2022. This is a new paint scheme for 2023. It's called the Arctic Ridge, and it's going to feature the grays and the whites and the silvers that are so popular today. Also, we have a new enhanced lithium package, which is an option, and it would replace your AGM batteries, your two AGM batteries, with 120 amp hour lithium batteries, and then you have other features that come along with that package that I'll talk about when we get to the other side of the unit. We also have moved our camera system. Instead of having the cameras up here in the mirror, we moved them down to the side of the unit. And then we're running it through the monitor on the inside, which I'll show that to you when we get there. The aluminum wheels, the keyless entry, the outside entertainment, which still comes with the TV, but new for this year is a sound bar instead of a stereo and speakers. The LP Quick Connect, the frameless windows. Up top, you can see our Girard awning with 3 arms because it's the full length of the coach, so it needs that third middle arm for the extra support, and it does have wind sensor with LED lights. The next feature I really like to talk to you about is our compartment doors. It's something we build in-house. We have complete quality control over these because we build them in-house, laminate them in-house, insulate them in-house. Everything is done by us. We don't have to worry about an outside vendor and double checking their quality control. But what's nice about them is it is block foam insulation, aluminum constructed. We do overkill hinges on these things. Same with the latches, and they're truly, and they open to the side. So they're not raising up, you don't have to duck underneath to get inside. They open to the side, which is just super convenient for the customer, right? And then there's slam doors that you don't have to slam. I mean, it's unheard of. I'll put those doors against any doors in the industry, no matter what classification of RV you're looking at. And speaking of construction, I'd like to tell you a little bit about our sidewall construction. We use a premium Italian fiberglass that is a thicker fiberglass that doesn't require a substrate or any kind of backer like most manufacturers are using. And so you're not gonna have to worry about any kind of delamination, which you will if you have a Luan backer or something like that too. But when we construct our walls, we actually put the floor itself has a ledge on it, and the wall itself sits on the ledge of your floor for support. Then we bolt it in from the side and bolt in from the bottom. So it's a triple layer protection. Where I've watched many manufacturers where they just hold on to the sidewall and bolt it in from the side, and that's it. One layer and it's bolts holding your wall together. So I really like the fact that we take such pride in our product and truly look at the end user to make sure that we are building the best, highest quality product in the industry. And on the rear of the Vienna, I want to point out a few features. One is the preform molded fiberglass brow that houses your backup camera, and it is a color camera. You work your way down, you're going to see as part of our paint scheme, you've got the Vienna logo and the Renegade logo back here, and these are not decals. It is true full body paint. Everything on here is painted. Come down to the preform molded bumper, fiberglass bumper that houses our LED lights. Really a nice feature. Still have the laminated wall back here, but if you do happen to have a rear end collision, hopefully you just have to replace the bumper or repair the fiberglass, and it doesn't hurt the structural integrity of the wall. And then there's some confusion out there about the hitches and the hitch weight. I want to point out this is a 5,000 pound hitch. That's what we install on here. But with the mathematics and GVR from Mercedes, There actually is a tow rating of 4220. And we actually just put a label on there for safety. We put 4,200 pounds as the tow rating for our Viennas. As we're coming around to the roadside, I want to point out one of the things that really sets Renegade apart. And in other videos, you may have heard us say it's the Renegade way. Well, let me show you. This is our wet bay. And what really sets us apart is we have a wet jet or water jet that actually laser cuts in all of our labels. So it's going to talk about the black tank dump, gray tank dump, spigot, tank fill, a few other things in there that are labeled. That way you don't have to worry about them getting wet, deteriorating, cracking, peeling, falling off, anything like that. You'll always know what your gray tank is and what your black tank is. And obviously those are your two most important things to know. So that's something I really, really wanted to point out to you. And also here, you can see behind the yellow cap is our LP fill, okay? And that's for your LP tank. And the reason you need to have it filled here is we went ahead and to save you more storage space on the outside of the unit, we go ahead and put the LP tank between the chassis rails, behind the rear axle. So it's better center of gravity, better balance, but also frees up extra space for you. And we look up from there, we've got our Truma Comfort Plus water heater. And that's the only true continuous instant hot water in the industry. Just check out Truma's website, they'll tell you themselves. I've been waiting this entire video to tell you about that great new option we offer for 2023, which is that enhanced lithium battery package with generator delete. The first thing you'll notice that comes with that package, rely on 120 amp hour lithium batteries. That is what allows you to delete your generator. You also get a second alternator, which is under the hood of the Mercedes, and that's dedicated to always be charging these batteries. In this compartment here, you're gonna have your 3,000 watt Xantrex inverter, which replaces the 2,000 watt inverter that is standard. Now our inverters are hybrid inverters, so they work with AGM or with lithium batteries. In this case, it doesn't matter because it's a lithium package. As we're wrapping up the exterior of the video for the Vienna, I do want to point out one feature that never gets talked about, and that's our entry steps. Now, you might say, they're the same entry steps I see on all RVs. And you would be right in most cases. But it's the Renegade way, the way we installed them, that sets us apart from the rest of our competitors out there. And so when we head on inside this unit, you're gonna see that I'm 250 pounds and the stairs barely move because we installed them the right way. Where with most of the competitors, they're more like a springboard. There's a lot of bounce to those steps. Now let's head inside to see the rest of this Vienna. Before I put the slide out, so while we're in travel mode, I want to show you that you can easily use the refrigerator and freezer. Have full access to the bathroom. And then fully use and sleep in the bedroom. Now that we have the slide room extended, I want to point out a couple of the new features for 2023 model year. One is our new Lakewood cabinetry. This has replaced our honey maple, so more of our neutral cabinetry color. Also, we went with a new flooring. We went from the woven vinyl to the new wood grain flooring. Behind me, you're going to notice that this is the cab over. So it's our twin bed floor plan with the cab over bunk for extra sleeping, or a lot of people will use it for extra storage. Now we're in the kitchen, and the first thing you're going to notice is our Firefly Master Controls Center that controls all the features of this RV. And we look at our cabinetry that Renegade's known for. Nice hardwood cabinetry, heavy duty hardware, great latches, contains all of your goods. Underneath, we have a new shelf that we've added. We've got our nice TV with the sound bar underneath, solid surface countertop with a nice deep sink, faucet, spray nozzle, our standard LP cooktop, 2 burner, storage underneath, convection microwave, and then this great pots and pan drawer with soft closed drawer guides. And across from our TV is our reclining sofa in our titanium decor, which is more of that gray finish. Above that is more of our hardwood cabinetry in that beautiful new Lakewood we just came out with for 2023. Next to that, we have our 12-volt compressor refrigerator freezer. And then moving on down the unit, we've got our double pantry, all made out of hardwood, soft closed as well. Continuing on around, we've got a medicine cabinet, vanity area with a nice big mirror, nice sink, which sits right across from your bathroom. Now in the bathroom, we have a porcelain toilet, a one-piece surround, max air fan with rain sensor, and a nice skylight above the shower to give extra headroom, but also to bring more light into the bathroom. Now we're back in the bedroom, and you want to talk about storage? Take a look at this. We have our great Euro style cabinets all the way around on the top. You have separate wardrobes on each side for each twin bed that has a shelf or a bar, so however you want to use it is great. Under each of the beds, you have 2 storage drawers as well, and then also in the nightstand. So as you can see, there's a twin bed on each side. What's nice about this is it does convert with the top of the nightstand. We are able to convert them into a nice size queen bed back here in this bedroom. So if you want to have a queen bed for the 2 of you, it's a separate bed, or you have a twin bed for each of you. It's very nice. Thank you for taking time out of your day to learn more about the Renegade Vienna 25V TBC. I'm Jim Hickey, Regional Sales Manager for the Sprinter product line at Renegade.